the toy pack!
Hey guys, you're watching the Toy Park. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you my newest favorite. You know what this is? I bet you do, because you actually get to see this everywhere. It's the vending machine, and the only difference is that this vending machine is even more adorable, because as you can see, it's all pink. Alright, are you ready? We're going to unwrap this together, okay? Look at this. Let's see what we got here. It makes sense. We have the vending machine. Looks like we also have some soda. But in different flavors. See what we got. Oh, nice. Looks like we have strawberry juice, lemon juice, and blueberry juice. Whew. It's making me a little hungry. Ooh. And I just discovered something really fun. Of course, we're gonna need some money if we have to get something from the vending machine, right? Okay, well, let's give it a try. Well, actually, you know what? Before we actually give it a try, let's take a look at this vending machine. Take a look at it slowly. See? So we have some samples here. Oh, we also have some buttons here. You can actually press into this. See? Oh, this is really cool. So far, I like it. Oh! Oh, but then guess what? See this thing right here? We're actually gonna have to be putting in some batteries so this vending machine can actually work. Yes, it can actually work like a real one. Doesn't that sound very exciting? Okay, so take out your screwdriver and some batteries. And don't forget to ask Mommy for help when you're doing this, okay? Don't do it yourself because it can be, you know, kind of dangerous. Alright, take this out, okay? If you want this to work, make sure you actually turn it around and take this plastic thing out. Now the magic is going to happen. Are you ready? Nice! Look at this! It's working now! Okay, so, let's see what I just found. I found a Hello Kitty card. So, let's insert this card right here. Here. Okay, now that we've inserted this card, I think we're ready to go. Well, but firstly, we'd have to place all these soda cans into this vending machine. So, how do we do this? It's very simple. Take a close look at this. At the top of this vending machine, can you see this plastic thing right here? Open this. Simply lift it up will do. Okay? And place all of the soda cans into this area. So, remember, while you're putting in all the soda cans, make sure you're placing all of these horizontally, okay? Make sure you're doing this horizontally because it would actually affect how this vending machine is going to be working later, okay? Alright, so 1, 2, 3. You see how I did? I actually placed it like horizontally. 4. 5. And 6. The last one. Okay. I think we're ready to go. Now, get your money ready. See all the coins? The pink coins that we got? Insert one right here. Also at the top of the vending machine. And you can press this button after you've inserted the money. Ooh, see? There we go. We got a can of strawberry juice. So why don't we give it another try? Let's see what we got this time. Another can of strawberry juice. Isn't this cool? It's definitely the coolest invention I've ever seen in my life, right? Isn't this awesome? So, I think we're done demonstrating how this vending machine is going to be working. So, I hope you're gonna have fun with yours. And that's about it for today. So until next time, make sure you take care. Bye!